Tony and the team at Incredible Builders came out to redo our kitchen, combined our kitchen and our dining room together. So they knocked down the wall, combined them together, made it a much larger kitchen. So going from one small island to two large islands, very, very large project. I love the large island in the middle. Obviously, I love the huge refrigerator, huge appliances, a lot of large stainless steel objects, the under cabinet lighting. Really, the overall project was a raving success. I mean, there's so many good things about the whole project in general.
We decided to go with Incredible Builders because honestly, it was Tony and Claudine that sold us. Claudine was excellent to work with. She knew what she was doing when she was helping me design the kitchen, and she had great selections, and she was very easy to work with. We have a loaf oven, and it has the double griddle and then 4 burners, and it's great for entertaining. It's a good focal point of the kitchen. Everyone always comes and comments on it. It's good for hibachi, or the kids always have like a million friends sleep over. It's wonderful for pancakes in the morning for everyone.
My wife and I have worked with numerous independent contractors over the past years and kind of making our house the perfect home. I can't say enough great things about how they really managed the overall project and kept everybody abreast of what was going on.
I would recommend them to all my family and friends and anyone that would ask, because they did a wonderful job. They were easy to work with. They stayed on a timeline. I had a very strict timeline that had to be done. We didn't have a kitchen for Thanksgiving, and I said we have to have it done for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's. They got it done before then.
In addition to the kitchen project, backyard remodels, we put in an overhang, kind of an outdoor kitchen, TVs, the whole set, and then also doing our master bathroom and master closet. Anybody that's looking for high quality contractor to come in and do great work to their homes, the Incredible Builders team is fantastic. I would definitely recommend